Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Sandara J. Suaibun, and now I'm going to explain the basic volleyball skills. For this alternative performance task, due to recent wrist surgery, I will be focusing on clear explanation and visual aids instead of physical demonstration. So now I'm going to explain the skills volleyball, which is serving. Serving is the volleyball skills used to start the game or begin a rally by hitting the ball over the net to the opponent's side. We have three types of serving, which is underhand serve, number 2 overhand serve, number 3 jump serve. Sa pagsaserve ng underhand serve, makikita nyo dito sa drawing. So, yung number 1 is hold the ball in one hand, swing the other arm under the ball. Number 2, contact the ball with the heel of your hand. So, next is overhand serve. So, number 1, toss the ball 1 to feet above your head. And then, contact the ball with heel of your hand. And follow through with your arms. And last is jump serve. So number 1 we do approach the line, toss the ball high. So number 2, approach the line, toss the ball high. And last is jump and contact the ball at its peak. At ito yung tips na gagawin mo kapag nagsaserve ka. So una is gamitin ang tamang grip at stand. Pangalawa, tignan ang target area sa kalaban or sa court. At swing and serving arm ng smooth and follow through and swing para sa accuracy at power. At yung posisyon mo, dapat nakatayo ka sa likod ng end line. So, dapat daw nakatalikod tayo or papunta tayo sa likod ng end line. Hindi dapat matapakan ang linya. And next, kanan o kaliwang paa sa unahan kapag nagsiserve ka ng bola. And hawakan mo ang bola sa isang kamay at isa mong kamay ay nakahanda sa pagtama o di kaya pagsiserve mo ng bola. So uulitin ko, ang serving ay isang kasanayan sa volleyball na ginagamit upang simulan ang laro o ang palitan ng bola. So, sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalo ng bola, patawid sa net papunta sa kabilang panig ng kalaban. So, yun ang tinatawag na serving. And that's all.